naman ay yung sampling method. Ito yung paraan naman ng pagkuha o iba't ibang paraan ng pagkuha, pagpili ng mga samples na gagamitin ninyo sa qualitative research. So again, before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and follow my YouTube channel and my TikTok account at Doc Ed Padama. So pareho po ng pangalan yan. And then there are videos that can help you in writing your research paper from chapter 1 to chapter 5 hanggang sa research defense. While on TikTok, may mga short videos tayo answering questions, queries, or inquiries regarding research writing. Okay, going to our main discussion. Sa sampling methods, this is divided or categorized or grouped into two. Ito yung tinatawag nating probability sampling and non-probability sampling. So, yung non-probability sampling, dito tayo magfo-focus, ito yung mga sampling methods na pwede nyong gamitin sa qualitative research ninyo. Pero ipe-present din natin yung probability sampling method, which is usually used naman and utilized sa quantitative research. So, ang sampling method is defined as there are two types of sampling methods. Ito yung sinabi natin kanina, probability sampling, which is defined as the involvement of random selection, allowing you to make strong statistical inferences about the whole group. So, ibig sabihin, itong probability sampling ay gumagamit ng random sampling para magkaroon ng equal opportunity lahat ng respondents sa population na mapili and mas malakas yung statistical inference niya na mag-represent. Ibig sabihin, kapag itong ginagamit ninyo, mas malaking possibility na yung kinuha ninyong sample represents the whole population. Okay. On the other hand, yung non-probability sampling involves opposite non-random. Non-random, and there's a possibility na hindi nyo makukuha yung representation ng population. So it uses non-random, and there's a probability that you will not be able to get the anong tawag doon, yung representation of the whole population. Okay, so this is based on convenience or other criteria that we will be discussing. Actually, yung i-discuss natin is already presented dyan sa illustration on the right side of your screen, allowing you to easily collect data.